Hi students, in previous video we understood the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat, and in this video we go for the exercises of this poem. We start from the meaning words, and these are the word meanings. Number 1, defy. The meaning of defy is disobey, break, and number 2, bafflement means puzzle. 3, despair means disappointment, and 4, levitation means floating on the air, and number 5, basement means underground, and number 6 is ginger cat means light brown orange colored cat. So these are word meanings, and now we see the another words. And number 7 is sunken in means deep in. 8, bro means forehead. Number 9, domed means high and round. Number 10 is space means moves, and monster means devil or giant. Depravity means moral corruption, and these 12 words, and now we see another words. And these are another words. Number 13 is dusty means soiled. Number 14, neglect means carelessness, and number 15 is uncombed means in disorder. So these are the word meanings that you have to read and repeat in the notebook. And now we go for the next exercise, and these are fill the blanks. That question 1A. Number 1, the poet calls Macavity a master dash. Here the answer is criminal. The poet calls Macavity a master criminal. Second, the poet describes that Macavity is dash and dash. Here the answer is tall and thin. Number 3, the word fiend means dash. The answer is devil. And number 4 is Macavity moves fast like a dash. Here the answer is snake. So these 4 blanks, and now we go for the MCQs of this poem. And these are the MCQs. Number 1, how is Macavity a master criminal? Means the poet says that Macavity is a master criminal, but how? Then the answer is he has broken all the laws of human as well as nature, so that's why he is called a master criminal. Number 2, what is the main feature of Macavity? Answer, it is difficult to trace him out. This is the special feature of Macavity, that is we cannot find him at the place of the crime, and we cannot trace him. Number 3, how does he break Newton's law of gravity? Answer, he floats in the air without support. So that's why he break Newton's law of gravity, because he has some supernatural powers. And now we go for the next, and here is the next question number 4, that who wants to catch Macavity? The answer is the British police. There are 2 agencies, that Scotland Yard and Flying Squad, who want to catch Macavity. Number 5, he is found in feline shape. Means what is the meaning of this line? Answer, he is a devil in the shape of a cat. This is the meaning of this line. So these are MCQs, and now we go for the true and false. And these are true or false. That number 1, Macavity is not an ordinary cat. It is true, because he is a master mind of crime, so he is not an ordinary cat, so it is true. Number 2, Macavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. Here the sentence says that Macavity cannot do work that the fakir can easily do. It is false, because Macavity do anything that he has supernatural power, so he can float in the air and he can move anything he wants, so it is false. Number 3, Macavity has supernatural powers. It is true. Number 4, Macavity is well dressed, smart and bright. It is false, because Macavity is very careless about his looks, and his coat is untidy and his hair is uncombed, so it is false. Number 5, Macavity is a spy, a trickster, and a criminal all rolled in one. It is true, because we see in the poem that he is a mastermind of crime. So these are true or false, and now we go for the next. And here are the short question answers of the poem. That number 1, what is the name of the mystery cat? Here we have to mention the name of the cat. Answer, the mystery cat is called as Macavity. His first name is Macavity, and he is also famous as the hidden foe and master criminal. He is also famous for these two names, that hidden foe and master criminal. And now we go for the second. And here is number 2, that why is Macavity the bafflement of Scotland Yard? Means, why is Macavity become puzzle for this agency Scotland Yard? Answer, Macavity is a master criminal who fled from the crime scene. He was never caught, so he became bafflement of Scotland Yard. Macavity is a master criminal and who fled from the crime scene, because he go away from the crime scene and he was never caught. The British police was never caught him, so he became bafflement of Scotland Yard. And now we go for the third. Which figure of speech is used in the third stanza of the poem? Here we find the name of the figure of speech used in this stanza. Answer, simile. This poetic device used in the third stanza, and it is movements like a snake. In this line, the figure of speech simile is used. So these are short question answers, and now we go for the long question answers. And these are long question answers of the poem. Number 1, how does the poet describe Macavity and his pranks? Here we have to write the description of Macavity and his activities. Answer, Macavity is a male cat. This is the first sentence, that Macavity is a male cat. He is a clever criminal. He has no fear of law or the police. He can break any law, and he has no any fear of the police or the law. He even defies the law of gravity. He has supernatural power, and he even defies the law of gravity, means breaks the law of gravity. He possesses supernatural powers which allows him to levitate up in the air. He has some supernatural powers, so he can levitate up, means he can float up in the air. He is so confident in his manner. He escaped from the scene of crime before the police arrived there. This is the main feature of Macavity, that we cannot find him, and he escaped from the place of crime. He also didn't leave any clue of him. This is also feature of Macavity, that we can't find any clue about him on the place of crime. So this is one question number, and now we go for second. And here is the second question, that read stanza third and then describe Macavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. We have to describe Macavity according to stanza 3 of the poem. Answer, Macavity described as a ginger cat, means ginger means orange, light orange colored cat. He is a tall and thin. This is the appearance of Macavity in the third stanza described. His eyebrows are deep with lines. He has sunken eyes. Sunken means deep in eyes, which gives him a devil look. He looks like a devil. His coat is untidy and his whiskers are uncombed. His clothes are very untidy, and his whiskers, his hair is uncombed, means in disorder. His head is highly domed. Domed means round, and he moves his head from side to side, and his body movement is like that of a snake. So this is the description of McCavity's looks, that how he looks. So this is the answer, and now we go for the question number 3. And this is the third question, that has the poet used exaggeration for special effect? Write a few examples of it. Here the question is, has the poet used in the poem, has the poet used exaggeration for special effect? Some lines, that exaggeration means a statement that represents something as better or worse than it really is. So has the poet used this type of lines in the poem? If yes, then write a few examples of it. And now we see the answer. Yes, the poet has used exaggeration for special effects. For the example, means the poet has used here some exaggeration lines that represents McCavity as better or as worse than he is. So now we see that those lines. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. This is a very high power of McCavity. And number 2 is, he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. And the third is, he is the master criminal who can defy the law. So these 3 lines exaggerate McCavity as a character of crime. So this is the answer, and I hope you understood all the exercises very well, and you have to read and repeat these exercises in your notebook. Thank you.